I just had to pull over. I was driving around trying to figure out how exactly I wanted to film this video, but I couldn't wait any longer. And honestly, I'm super hyped and super blessed to be here right now and being able to get what I just got. Just grinding away to finally get this. Like, I know I had a Jeep, but I love the Jeep, don't get me wrong. But this right here is what I've been needing. Boom! I got myself a 2024 Honda Civic hatchback in Boost Blue. It's equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine pushing 158 horsepower, sitting on some 18-inch rims. Let me see. I probably got a better angle on this side. Yeah. Boom! All black rims, and boom! But I'm absolutely stoked on this. There's so much that I could do on this, and I love this color. As of right now, I'm probably going to be trying to go get a PPF, paint correction as well, and a tint on this. Maybe like a 20% or 25. I don't know if they come in that. And I also really want to get a wing on the back, because this would look so cool. Maybe like with a Type R wing. Even though it's not a Type R, I know it's not a Type R, but it would look so cool on the back of that hatchback. Right? Probably gonna be getting some POV drives in this for you guys soon. Let me show you guys the bonnet actually. Here's the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. I had to go with the 2-liter because I heard that the 1.5 turbo, that, you know, it's just a little bit less reliable. And honestly, there is a ton of room in here for a turbo. I don't know if that's where you would put it. I don't know anything at all in here. Honda dealership, I will not be tuning or touching those things. Detailed in PPF probably tomorrow. I got 2 places to look at, CT Auto Pros and then Auto Top Care. I'm gonna go check them both out tomorrow and hopefully have a PPF and a tint on this in the next week. I really want to get it done before the first 1,000 miles. But I'm excited to bring you guys along for the journey. It is an automatic. I know. I don't know how to drive manual. I will get on it eventually. All right, so right now we're on the way to the homie Pat's house. I accidentally left. Oh God. The mask that I have in the passenger seat just started rattling. But I'm on the way to the homie Pat's house. I accidentally left my wireless mics at his house the other day. So I gotta go scoop those because we're gonna need it now that I got a ton of content to film. I really need to upgrade those mics, possibly a Rode or a Digimic, because those are really crispy audio. But I'm gonna film when I pull up to his house because he has not seen this car yet. All right, we gotta be stealth. I gotta pull around the Coldie. Let's go! I think he already sniped me though. I think he already sniped me, guys. Oh, I don't know if you saw the whip. All right, we're gonna park up. All right, I just need the lights to turn off. I'm gonna send him a text real quick. I'm gonna post up right here behind this. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a tree right here. I'm gonna hide right here. Now it's sent. It's good. Yo, he's coming. No, we gotta stay right here. We gotta stay right here.
Yo. I literally look up and I'm like, wait, that's not the fucking Jeep. Oh,
dude, let's fucking go, bro.
Fucking crazy. Oh my days, dude. Oh my gosh, hatchback Civic, the blue color on the black rims. What more could you want in a vehicle? Guys, this is a certified heavy hitter. Come on. Big dubs in the chat, big dubs in the chat.
Go.
Ow.
I finally got the GoPro set up. Last night was absolute blast. Right now I'm headed to Lowe's because I gotta get a replica house key for my new keys. I always keep a house key on all my car keys. It's just useful to have, honestly, for me. And then after that, I'm gonna go hit CT Auto Pros and also go to Auto Top Care if need be. But I'm super hyped. I'm loving this angle. You guys could probably see yourselves in there, but I could get used to this. I don't even need no hands. Oh, look at that. Oh, my stuff is over there. And we're still going. Like, that lane assistance thing, like, it doesn't require me to, like, put my hands on the wheel too often unless it's, like, a crazy turn, like an aggressive turn that it's like, oh. It says, like, it pops up in the middle. It says required steering or something like that. It's happened a couple times, but I don't know. I freaking love it. I'm so hyped. Oh. All right, let's turn that off for now. And I also got the mics back, which is really good because I need those. I'm excited to start filming like this though, because there's a lot of crazy cars out here. Like the first time I'm filming, we just popped up on a M5 comp in like less than a minute. I wonder if he's going to CT Auto Pros. Maybe, bro. Now that I think about it, 360 camera is the move. I'm in the Uber whip. See why the Uber drivers drive this. Damn, another red light. Yo.
Don't fly off without your key. Please remove your key and rest safe with our...
Alright, so the key is secured. Now it's time to go to CT Auto Pros. I gotta throw that in the GPS here. 14-minute drive ski. Alright, let's hit it. I'm hyped to go. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna record when I'm there. I'm gonna see if they'll let me. You guys will see when we're there. I'll try to sneak some footy. But other than that, we are on the way. I'm actually so hyped. I need to get this PPF and tint done immediately, ASAP, and then I can rest. I can rest once it's done, then my car is chilling. Well, I mean, the next thing is the radar, but that's not a necessity as of right now. But once I get those other things, ooh, we're cooking. It's gonna keep her nice and shiny, get a ton of photos, and keeping it just pretty much dead stock. Oh, yo. I forget what that Honda's called, the S2000, I believe. That was a sick car. That was a sick car. I'm hoping he was looking over here and thought this was a Type R, because my uncle thought this was a Type R. When I pulled up to his house, he was like, is that a Type R? I'm like, nah, it's just a Type R color. But this is still lit, dude. And we're at 183 miles already. I've had the car for 3 days, and I'm at the half point mark in the gas tank, so I need to get gas soon too. The first ever fill up. Yo, AutoZone! Yo! Alright guys, so I just left CT Auto Pros. Shout out the homie Ben for hooking it up. I'm gonna get the new car package done and a ceramic coat on the whole car, and ceramic tints all around, excluding the windshield. If you guys need his info or need to find where their shop is, I hope you guys can see this on the GoPro. But guys, I still can't get over this. Like, I'm walking around with a GoPro on my head with sunglasses on. With my hoodie on too. It's all worth it for the clips. Look at this. Yo. I just got in my package of like the first set of like mods for the Civic. I got a screen protector, some rubber protectors for like cup holders and door trims, and I got this, I'm not sure if it's real leather, but a center console like wrap for the middle part, just because it's cloth, so this should make it protected for hopefully a little while. Can I keep this open, man? Front. Word. Oh no. I hope this sticker doesn't leave residue. Come on. Yes! Looks pretty good, and from the driver's side, I can't complain. I haven't peeled this yet. Get that new screen ASMR. Fits perfectly, kinda. It looks pretty good. Word. I don't know how to film this, so I'm gonna go ghost real quick. We're about to go hit CT Auto Pros shot. I don't even know how to talk to a camera right now. It's super early in the morning, Monday. We're about to get to CT Auto Pros. I'm not gonna bring the GoPro this time because we did a POV earlier in this video. I hope you enjoyed that. Let's get that 15% in ceramic coat done. We picking up the Beast on Wednesday. I don't know what I'm calling the car. I just said the Beast. It is the same color as Mr. Beast logo. We're not calling it the Beast. I will see you at CT Auto Pros. What the? Okay, YouTube. That's fucking crazy. So we just picked up the Civic from CT Auto Pros. I tried to film a little bit. I got that R34 on clip, which shout out CT Auto Pros again. The ceramic coating. We got Modesta ceramic coating on here. It looks absolutely insane. I don't know, I'm gonna park up and try to get some better cinematic shots of the car, but I just had to break it down for you. All right, so I just parked her up at a local park, and you can get a look from the outside. And tints all around really makes this so much nicer. Yeah, I gotta keep this clean as possible, but I'm super hype. But let me know what you think I should do next. Should I do wheels, new wheels, lower it a little bit, add some spacers? Should I throw a wing on the back? I'm not sure. And once again, if you guys need any detailing needs, any tint, ceramic coats, anything done, check out CT Auto Pros. They will service you if you're from New York or Mass or Connecticut. It doesn't matter, they'll get you in. Thank you again, CT Auto Pros. I'm extremely hyped. It's been a couple weeks. I've had the car for about 3 weeks, but I'm gonna throw it at the end of this video of me getting the car because I still haven't surprised my brother. So we're still right now not in Boston, but I'm about to go drive there. So take you guys along with me, and I'm gonna surprise him with the whip for the first time. I can't wait. It's gonna be crazy. All right, we made it to Mass. Now I'm finally gonna be able to go surprise my brother. We're on the way to his school. Let's get it. This is gonna be funny as fuck. Yeah. You gotta love this traffic. Some crazy event going on. We gotta get over there. All right, we made it. Time to give him a call.
Hello?
Yo, I'm out front.
You're in the front? All right.
You're? Alright, word. He's got no idea! He has no idea! Alright, I'm gonna just post up and record this and wait for him. Dude, where is this kid, bro? Where is this kid? 3 years later. And snagged a parking spot. He still can't snipe us. Where is he? Yo, he's here. He has no idea. Dude, he's got no idea. Look at this kid. He's lost. Yo,
where are you?
dude, turn around, bro.
I'm confused. Are you in this car? What the fuck? No, wait, so you got the car that I've been... Is this a Civic? Or a Hot... Wait, I'm confused. No. Dude, that's sick. Dude, what the fuck? I want a new car. Bro got me speechless.
Oh.